Hello there and welcome to my Beagle Standard build log. Actually, today we're not going to build further on the Beagle. We are going to do a little intermezzo because my bearings came in and I'm going to build the spool holder, which is a separate kit, or if you wish so, 3D printed parts from Thingiverse and some bearings. So this should be a short video. But it's a pretty essential part, and I think you should definitely build it. So without further delay, let's get started. So what we're going to build are spool holders. These are downloadable as a part from Thingiverse, but Wrapper World also sells them as a kit. I got a couple of misprints. They're actually fully functional, but aesthetically not so good. You can see there's a little, well, the top is just looking a bit ugly, but hey, that doesn't matter. Doesn't matter to me. I got them as a bonus to my kit, so I don't complain. For each holder you need actually 2 of these brackets. They will go like this, and the spool will roll in between. For each bracket you need 2 bearings, a couple of washers, like really big washers, some smaller washers, thin ones, a bit thicker ones, and some bolts and nuts. These are nylocks, but normal nuts will probably work just as well. If you're printing from Thingiverse, you will notice that there's 3D printed plastic flanges with it, which probably is just as fine. I just got all the hardware from Wrapper World except for the bearings, and well, whatever suits you best. I'm going with this. So what you need to do is essentially bolt everything together in a way. First the small thicker washer, then the large washer, then the thin small washer, then comes the bearing, and then the same washers in reverse order, and then the bolt goes through and locks it everything in place with the nylock nut. So let's do it. Yep. So this is essentially what we're going to build, like 4 times, 2 for each brackets. And like I said, the nylock is probably complete overkill because the screw is already threading its way into the plastic of the bracket itself. So any normal nut will probably do, but I got these nylocks, so I'll use them. The small thin washers make sure that the bearing is still running smoothly while still giving a little bit of play and not too big of a gap, so the spool will not drop in between the 2 flanges. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Now do it like 3 more times. Two spool holders, They will hold the spool nicely, and the spool will roll quite smoothly over these bearings, giving your filament the best way up to your extruder. Like I said, quick video. This is really all there is to it. So that's it. Next time I will probably have some, maybe a nice little surprise. But we'll come to that later. For now, bye.